Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got an awesome Google Sheets tutorial that'll unlock a powerful feature you might not be using yet, named functions. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create your own named functions in Google Sheets and use them to make your spreadsheet so much smarter and easier to manage. Named functions basically let you save your favorite formulas as custom functions, reusable and shareable across your entire document. That means less time rewriting complex formulas and more time actually getting things done. So let's dive in. First, you'll want to get into Google Sheets. If you're already logged into Gmail, you're just a few clicks away. Head over to the very top right corner of your screen. You'll see those 9 little dots arranged in a square. That's your Google Apps menu. Give it a click and you'll see a whole bunch of Google Apps pop up. Find Google Sheets in that list. It usually has a green icon with a white table in it, then click to open it up. If you're someone who tries new apps once in a while, it might be hiding further down, so just scroll if you have to. Once you're inside a Google Sheet, we're going to set up our named function. Look up towards the top. Along that familiar menu bar, you'll see an option that says Data. Go ahead and give that a click. A drop-down menu opens up, and in there you'll see Named Functions. This is the place we want. This feature isn't hidden, but you might not have noticed it before. Clicking on Named Functions opens a sidebar on the right side of your screen. You'll see any named functions you've already created, but today we're going to add a brand new one. To do that, take a look near the bottom of the panel and click on Add New Function. This is where your creativity comes in. You can make your spreadsheets do exactly what you want. Now, the first thing you'll be asked for is the name of your function. This is what you'll type into your spreadsheet later instead of a long and confusing formula. It could be something simple and descriptive like calculate discount or average score. Make sure it's something you'll easily remember. Next, you're asked for a description. This is just a short sentence or two explaining what your function does. Trust me, taking a moment to describe it now saves you or your collaborators a ton of confusion later, especially if you share the sheet. After that, you'll see argument placeholders. Don't let this term scare you. Arguments are just the bits of info your function needs to run. For example, if you're making a function to add a sales tax, you might want placeholders for item price and tax rate. This way, when you use the function later, you're prompted to fill in those specific values. Now for the heart of it, the formula definition. This is the actual Google Sheets formula you want to reuse. You can get as simple or creative as you want here, anything from calculating a percentage to combining data from different cells. If you've ever spent a lot of time perfecting a tricky formula, you know how nice it is to never have to write it again. Once you've got everything filled out, your name, description, placeholders, and formula, go ahead and click Next to review your function. If everything looks good, hit Create. That's it, your named function is ready to go. Now anywhere in your sheet, just type equals followed by your function's name, pop in the required values, and watch your custom function work. And there you have it, you've just leveled up your Google Sheets skills. If any of these steps felt tricky, don't worry, it gets easier with a bit of practice and your productivity is going to thank you. If you learned something new today, give this video a like, drop any questions or tips in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.